Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts here, and today I want to tell you about the differences between the Anlin Panoramic Window and the Anlin Catalina Window. So I want to tell you a little bit more about the reasons why I would choose one over the other for a specific house. If I'm going into a customer's house and I realize that they have really large windows everywhere, in the front, in the bedrooms, everything, they just have really good sized windows, more likely I'm going to pitch the Catalina window. It does have a little bit more frame on the profile, but it does give you an equal sight line, which some people are really interested in making sure that they have. The panoramic window, if I'm going into a customer's house and I realize that a lot of the windows that they have aren't really that large, I'm going to want to try to maintain as much glass surface and airflow as possible. And to achieve that, I'm going to offer them the window with a thinner frame. Now, with that, people ask, well, is there one better than the other? Or is the quality different between the Catalina and the panoramic? The answer is no. The quality is identical. It's just that this window has less of the actual vinyl frame that eats into your view when you're looking out or from the outside looking in. Both are going to come with the cardinal glass, which is a very high grade of glass that you can get for your home. They're also going to come with the coaxial tandem stainless steel rollers. So that's very high grade of roller as well. Weather stripping is triple fin. Everything is the same, is basically what I'm trying to get at. It's just one has a thicker frame, the other does not. So if you're a person who is very keen on having an even sight line, you want the fixed panel of glass and the slider side to be identical in the sight line, the left side, right side, the glass is exactly the same size, then you're gonna wanna go with the Catalina window. And also with the Catalina window, because it has more frame, Anlin is able to put a vent stop in the main frame. On the panoramic window, there's not enough frame to allow for that vent stop to be installed in that frame. So you don't have that option on this particular window. But with this window, you can always upgrade to a sash bolt into this window, and that will plunge down into the track. So it acts as a vent stop, but you'd have to add that later. Another thing that I keep in mind whenever we're at a customer's house, if they have a condo, a place that has an HOA, then there's probably going to be a stipulation as to how much vinyl they will allow in your replacement windows, especially in California. So all of my customer base is based in California, so I'm going off of California restrictions and HOAs and what they're allowing for the homeowners there. A lot of times they're going to want under a 3-inch frame. So from the edge of the frame, what they can see from the outside to where the glass starts, they want that to be under 3 inches. If that is the case, more times than not, I cannot achieve that with my Catalina window unless I'm cutting down the frames or the vinyl flanges all the way basically to the end. With the panoramic, I can get away with that. I can definitely get them under that 3-inch with a panoramic window. So that's one of the things that I keep in mind when I'm going to a customer's house and I'm noticing that, first of all, they live in an HOA. The first thing I'm going to ask is, do they have the 3-inch rule? And if they do, we're automatically going to go with the panoramic window by default. Let's take a little bit closer look at the Catalina window. So I'm going to basically show you, if you look from here down, you'll notice that there's this vinyl piece, right? And that is at the bottom where you can see the vent stop. So when you open your window, the Catalina window, you'll notice that you still have this main frame here when you open this up. So we've achieved an even sight line from the slider and the fixed panel, but you're going to have all this vinyl in the way here. Again, if you have a very large window, you're 8 foot wide by 5 foot, tall living room windows, you're not going to notice any of this. This is going to be fine for you. And I would have no problems putting the Catalina, window in an opening like that. But if you have a smaller window opening, we're going to talk more about that with the panoramic. So from this side, you open the window, your screen is going to be here. You have all of this vinyl here, okay? Now, with a panoramic window, when we open this up, as you can see, already from the edge of this vinyl, the glass is already started. So when you open this, you have more airflow, right? So your ability to have more air coming through with a vinyl window is achieved. Well guys, hopefully this helps you to understand the difference between a Catalina window and a panoramic window, both made by Anlin. So again, they are both the same quality, they're just a smaller frame versus a larger frame that's going to give you the even sight lines. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.